In this episode of I Tried It, we test this side hustle that claims that beginners can earn $150 or more by doing this stupid simple method. In this video, I'm going to walk you through this entire process. I'm going to reveal if this works or if it doesn't work, and we are going to talk about some other options. So watch this entire video if you want to know if you can make $150 per day doing this stupid simple method. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so about a week, maybe a week and a half ago, I stumbled across this video that claimed that we could make $150 per day by doing this stupid simple method, and so I gave it a try. Basically, what we are going to do is we are going to use CPA Grip, and we are going to post our links in this super secret place that is going to help us make money. Let's go ahead and dive into it. So the first thing that the content creator has you do, if we take a look at my screen here, they have you go over to a website called CPA Grip. And CPA Grip is a CPA network, which means cost per action or cost per acquisition, where we can essentially make money. Inside of CPA Grip, they tell us to go to a content locker, and we are going to create a CAPTCHA or a reCAPTCHA in hopes of making some money. After that, we go over to YouTube and we find trending videos in a certain niche, and then we create a Google Sites file. Let me just show you. Okay, so here we are in CPA Grip. We create this content locker that creates this type of reCAPTCHA. We apparently will get paid whenever someone clicks on this and goes here. Now ask yourself the very beginning, normally what happens when someone clicks on a reCAPTCHA or CAPTCHA will then be taken to whatever website that they want to go to. They don't normally get one of these things where we've got to enter to win. So ask yourself logically, is this something that you would click on? Okay, once we create this content locker, we come over to Google Sites, as I mentioned, and we basically take this thumbnail from a popular Fortnite video and we make a site. This site is live. If you want to look at it, this is exactly what we did. So in order to get to this point, you go over to YouTube and you type in a gaming video. So we'll say like Fortnite, or we could do like Call of Duty because it just came out. Call of Duty, just like this. Then we are going to sort by this past week, and then we would sort by most views, so view count. Okay, once you have that, we'll scroll down past the Little Caesars ad. Let's say, I don't know, we'll use Little Caesars. It keeps popping up. So what we would do is we would then take the thumbnail for this video. We would put it here, as you can see, and then we would make all of these different links. You can see you can make links here. Like I said, this is live. If you were to go to this website, it would work. Then we are going to entice someone to click and buy with this simple little website, and then they would come here to this reCAPTCHA. In order to get traffic, we are actually going to use a website called Linkverse. Linkverse apparently has tons of gaming videos that you can earn money through viewers or people that go to this site by clicking on these links and watching, as you can see here, or according to the original content creator, our goal is to get them to click on these content lockers. So let's talk a little bit about Linkverse because I'd never heard of the website before. According to SimilarWeb, Linkverse gets 79 million visits, or at least it got 79 million visits between August and October. It averages about 26 million visits per month, which isn't bad. Okay, if you start thinking about sites like Reddit, start thinking about sites like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, they get billions of views, and this site gets millions of views. Okay, so think about that for a second. Also think about the average duration, 3 minutes and 34 seconds, and people only go to about 5 pages. But I think the bigger question here, and we're just going to follow logic. If you create a Linkverse account, or if you are a fan of Linkverse, you've gone to this site multiple times per day, and you see a link that you want to click on, you click on this and it takes you to this CAPTCHA. Would you continue on? Would you follow on? The answer might be yes. You're really interested in watching this video, so you click on I am not a robot, but then it takes you here. So this is another step. The more steps that someone has to take to complete a simple task, the higher the chances of someone not actually completing that simple task. So understand that when you are doing these things. Okay, now again, I'm going to reveal how much I made after about 10 days of doing this. But let's say, for example, I wanted to enter to win $2,500 in cash. which I'm kind of afraid to click on. You can see before I get to where I want to go, I would have to enter in my email address. Again, ask yourself, if someone that started off wanting to watch this video of this really cool Fortnite sequence, they click on this link, then it takes them, it opens up a new tab, and then they have to enter in their name and their email. Would you continue on with this process? Be logical, be honest with yourself. Now, I'm kind of hesitant to enter in my name and my email, but let's do it for the sake of this video. I enter in my email address like this. This is a junk email that a lot of spam goes to, so if you email me here, it's gonna not be seen. I'm gonna click on continue and I agree. Now, another step. Again, ask yourself logically. We started off here, we clicked on this, we went to this content locker captcha thing. We clicked on yes, we want to enter in to win $2,500, and now it takes us here where we need to enter in our contact information. What will most likely happen is they're going to mark your content as spam because you never actually get where you want to go. If you look at this, there's probably an option to mark it as spam. If we come back over here, I still have to enter in my information, select your numbers. No one is going to do this, okay? No one is gonna follow this process. So if you've watched that original video and you thought, hey, this is a simple way to make $150, it is simple for you to set up, but it's not simple for the consumer. When you are trying to make money online, you want it as seamless and as simple as possible. And if you have to walk somebody through 4 or 5 steps and they don't even maybe not get to where they want to go, they're not going to click on it, okay? Follow logic. Before you think someone else is just going to do this because you set it up, ask yourself, would you go through this process? I certainly do not want to enter in more information here, but I want to see how far it goes before we actually get to the video on YouTube. Now, again, these people are clicking on what they think is a YouTube video. Okay, this is a pretty boring website that probably doesn't offer enough context for someone to actually click on this, but let's assume we've got a gullible person here that clicked on the original link. And let's see, select for myself. We're just gonna grab some numbers here like this. And now we're gonna click on free entry. And now we're at not found. So we've done all of this and we still don't even get to our video. Your content would be marked as spam and you would probably get kicked off of this platform. So if we just follow logic, this wouldn't work. No one is gonna sit through 5 hoops to go watch a YouTube video, because what they would probably do eventually is they would just copy this like this, come back over to YouTube, paste it in like this, hit enter, and then they can find the video. Oh, look, it's already right there, okay? So when you follow that logic, it doesn't make any sense. However, let's see how much money I made. First of all, nobody clicked on my link. You can see here, I have this. We'll take a look at this thing that I created. I'm gonna copy this, paste it in right here like that, hit enter. And so this is what my link would actually be, okay? You can see that's my name there, website, sites.google.com. Ask yourself logically, would you pursue this? Would you go along with this at all? And the answer should be no. Logically speaking, this will not work for anybody. This will not work for you. This did not work for me. So now that we know that this isn't gonna work, what can we do that is better, that will actually work? There's nothing out there that's going to be easy where you just do it once and money comes piling in. If you want to be successful on the internet, I think you would have a better time reacting to videos that you find. And it's really simple. You basically would follow the same process. Go find a viral video in your niche. You can create videos where you react to them. You can make your own unique videos where you are exploring if you're a gamer. Ultimately, what you need to do is you need to pick a niche that you're interested in, and you need to figure out gaps and opportunities within that niche. Again, reaction videos work out very well if you are consistent and persistent and you're adding value. A reaction video won't work if you're just sitting there watching the video. You've got to make comments, you've got to be funny, you've got to be a little bit edgy, and you've got to kind of upset some people. And that will work. I know people will say like SS Sniper Wolf has been able to be successful where she just watches videos. You can't do that. You're not her, so don't try and be her. Be you to start a reaction channel where you're actually on camera and you're reacting to what's going on. But that's probably the simplest way. Another very simple way is to create short format videos. Create short format videos within your niche where you are giving out education and value and information. If you want to be successful in 2023, stop looking for the shortcuts, because this is ultimately what this is. This is a shortcut that leads to nowhere. This is a shortcut off a cliff. because it absolutely will not work for you. So don't do this. Don't try this. This is not going to work for you. It certainly didn't work for me. You could upload 30 videos per day like this and you would get 0 results because of the process that I described and outlined about the number of steps that are required before somebody will get to where they want to go. And most people aren't just going to be willing to do that. Create unique, original content, react to someone else's content, be consistent, be persistent, and you can be successful online. That's what it takes. Showing up every day, creating something of value, and not just trying to cut corners. Okay? If you want to learn more, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.